Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and I want to talk a little bit about third-party antiviruses and some of the little scandals that has been happening in the past few weeks. So you guys know that I've always promoted the Windows Security or Windows Defender app and think that it's really good enough for everybody. There's no need for third-party antivirus. And the main reason why is that you're the number one protection, not the antivirus that you're using. The Windows Security app is good enough for most people, and you don't really need anything else. Also, what's nice about it is that it actually doesn't, hog your system. It doesn't slow it down, or it doesn't give the impression that suddenly you're crawled to, turtle speed because you're have to install that big gun security suite and so on. But there's something else that happened this week, in the past couple of weeks, that makes this even more relevant. It's that we learned that a few antivirus companies, and the one that actually came out the most is AVAST. If you've been using AVAST, it's so a report came out saying that, AVAST actually sells your browsing data. It actually takes a look at everything you do and sells that browsing data to different companies. And of course, that means that your privacy isn't very private using Avast, because all of that information, even though they say it's anonymized, that means they can't really track it back to a specific user like you. It still is unacceptable. There's, a limit as to where some of the software and what the software can do at some point. And even in Windows 10, when people were actually going crazy, and some are going crazy over the privacy features and security in Windows 10, it's still, it's nothing compared to what that does. Selling your browsing data, come on. And what we learned also in that report is that it might not be the only antivirus doing this. And it's not just a free version. Even paid antiviruses, some of them apparently sell data to third-party companies. So, I am sticking by my observations. I'm sticking by the fact that the Windows security is good enough. And, third-party antiviruses, the more I read, the less I'm inclined to actually have one. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.